As part of the African, Caribbean and Pacific Multinational Environmental Agreement, ACPMEA, a capacity building program funded by the FAO, the Department of Forestry hosted a training workshop for forest officers and other field experts within the Agriculture Ministry. The 4-day training program aimed at preparing officers to approach stakeholders within the agriculture sector, such as farmers, using various techniques and skills to ensure the efficient use of our natural resources. Consultant attached to the FAO, Michael Andrew, notes that the training focused primarily on participatory approaches such as participatory management and discovery-based extension engagement methods.
What has happened is that the traditional or conventional method has not worked as it should. It has involved the top-down approach. This approach now would actually change the surface, the landscape of things by using a bottom-up approach. So you're going to actually have to identify your stakeholders. Sometimes your stakeholders have similar interests, so you're going to have to group them. And when you do that now, you'll have to find methods that are best suited to reach them, to engage them. Not every stakeholder group can be reached in the same way. All right? There are those you can meet through consultation, those you have to meet through meetings, and the various strategies. But the whole idea is to develop stakeholders that would be interested in projects and would have certain responsibilities to implement in projects. By so doing, the technical persons will have partners in conducting project activities, and it will be a more successful approach.
Regional Project Coordinator attached to the ACPMEA, Therese Yard, notes that building capacity amongst field experts is one of the most essential aspects in ensuring St. Lucia's biodiversity continues to thrive.
The FAO is working with forestry to restore ecosystems along a number of riverbanks in St. Lucia. And we, of course, want to work with the communities that live along those riverbanks because they're very important stakeholders and very important beneficiaries. So through this workshop, we're enabling the officers involved to be able to reach out to those communities effectively, understand their needs, and understand how the work that we're doing can serve them.
Agricultural engineer and participant of the training workshop, Kwesi Goddard, explains the importance of initiatives such as this training workshop in increasing productivity and efficiency in the agriculture sector.
One person will be studying one field and focusing on a problem in one way, whereas in our department we have various units. We have the land resource unit, we have the irrigation unit, and the mechanization or farm power unit. And you find when we approach a problem from all these different aspects, then we are more liable to come to a solution. So in that way, learning to engage officers, learning to empower each other to be confident enough to come up and voice the solutions they have in mind, not thinking that the solution is insignificant, we can be able to utilize this and make it impact our country.
As the forest sector continues to play an important role in ensuring the nation's food security, the Department of Forestry remains committed to improving and expanding its capabilities to better serve the stakeholders within the agriculture sector and the wider public. From the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Agriculture, I am Anicia Antoine reporting.